Hi, welcome. This is Ross Berlanga with TMI Products, and welcome to our TMI Design Center. Come on in. As you can see, we've got all kinds of great things on display. From car stuff, blazers, we got trucks, we got everything you can imagine all here in the TMI Design Center. In fact, there's more here available for people to see in the TMI Design Center than we're able to take out to different shows, including SEMA. So if you're looking for something special, custom, you found the right place, because you know what? There's all kinds of stuff for you to be able to enjoy. So let's take a trip. So whether you want bucket seats or bench seats, we've got all kinds of different stuff for you to be able to try out, including now our new side-by-side stuff. So if you've got a Polaris Razor or you got a Maverick, we got suspension seats built out just for you. And then we've got a person that's looking into G-body stuff, whether it's Monte Carlo, Buick Grand National, Olds 442, you got some great stuff for you now with these 80 seats that are purpose-built. That's our Pro Trans Am seat. It's specifically built with slightly narrower than our traditional Pro Series seats, so that it fits in the slightly smaller cab of the G-bodies. This seat's been a great hit for all those Fox Body Mustangs, the Gen 3 Camaros, and of course the G-bodies. Come this way, you got a traditional split back bench. It's a 16-inch bench that's going to fit in most trucks. So whether it's the C10 or you got a F-150, this bolts right in. And then guys that want something maybe a little more custom, we might go with a couple Pro Classic bucket seats with the waterfall console through the middle. And we got a great display of that actually in our square body C10 over here. You know, those that might have a little more driving performance in their vehicle, this low back seat has worked out really well for us because it has a 3-inch bolster. It's going to hug you in real nice and tight. That way, if you've got some spirited driving, it's going to be able to keep you planted right behind the steering wheel. We've got some other seats over here. This is one of our budget-friendly seats called our SoCal series. Now, whether you want something that's just with a low bolster or high bolster, we've got those set up for you, as well as it also comes with headrests. Again, there's more side-by-side seats over here. And then this seat actually here, this is a 48-inch bench that originally was in the Blazer. We tested it out, put a headrest in it, but since our Blazer is set up more of like a roadster, it was sticking up a little too high. So we ended up going with the factory bench seat and just reupholstered it to match the way our two front bucket TMI classic seats are. This is another one of our Pro Chicane seats. Guys that are using it for like autocross and want that race style seat, but want that customability to be able to match the rest of the interior. That's that seat, but again, more side-by-side seats over here. Here's some of our latest stuff that we just unveiled at the Grand National Roadster Show just a couple months ago. And this is our, there's our traditional molded fiberglass door panel. And then here's our new molded fiberglass door panel. And we'll show it to you in just a second in our new Blazer. And then a full console that we also unveiled with the Blazer. So yeah, a lot of new stuff that's coming out this year, TMI, and yes, this Pro Classic seat also features our new Sport H design. So that hex pattern that runs on our high-end CNC sewing machine. So we're able to keep that consistency and really develop some cool designs that we're able to carry that through from a seat to door panels and center consoles. So now, the Blazer, you can see all of the new updates. So this went through a big transformation, and hats off to the TMI R&D team for really working through all kinds of different challenges, because this floor was modified for this air ride system. and they were able to still make this new pattern, this new style all work. So with our new molded fiberglass door panels, you got a new cap that covers it up so you can actually still use the chrome trim that goes from the factory with the door panel, carried over to some really trick rear quarter panels. Those rear quarter panels match that door panel, and then we've got the matching bed, the tailgate panel. So you can see how that tailgate panel matches everything else that we've got going on here. And then again, so if you take a look at the door panel and how this Pro Classic seat, that's this style and design matches, and it's just on a factory bench seat.
Nice.
So hopefully that helps to answer some of those questions.
Yes.
Hey, do we do any upholstery for a factory seat? We do. When it comes to a rear seat, we will match. We will match the bucket seats that we're doing, or a bench seat that you might be doing for the front of your vehicle. We'll match the factory rear seat, so everything flows perfectly. Over here, I'll show you a deluxe bench. So we're the only ones that have this special cubby hole in the bench. So yeah, there's others that might have this armrest, but no one that has that cubby hole too. So in this seat, we're really excited that just a couple of years ago we started working with Apex leather. It's really high-end Italian leather, and this seat features that. With also a perfect complement is with our CNC double diamond stitch pattern here.
Nice.
And then I was showing it to you before. Hey, so if you've got a seat that looks like this, it might be time to upgrade to that one. So we thought have a little fun here in the design center.
Yeah.
Walking up to our square body. So there's some similar pattern here with our XR pattern in our Pro Classic seat, and we also got a buddy console in there. The buddy console works out well because somebody's able to get the best of both worlds, get a pair of bucket seats, but also still have the functionality of a jump seat in the middle. Somebody's able to sit on that one. We also have that waterfall console that somebody might want to use, but the waterfall console being all fiberglass, you're not going to have the functionality of somebody sitting on it, but it has some really cool design cues if somebody is just looking for buckets in their truck. Let's go over to the F-150. That works. There's our molded fiberglass door panels. We've got our molded fiberglass dash pad, custom wrap steering wheel, so everything matches. And then one of our latest builds, a customer build over here, the OBS, is here in the TMI 360 booth. We offer the 360 booth for rental. In fact, our friends from AFE were just here yesterday shooting your car, and we finished up this OBS with the new. We are not seeing anybody do this yet. Putting solid back bench seats, something pretty old school in an OBS.
Oh.
And we just finished up as well these new door panels. So we got this really cool molded fiberglass door panel. Yeah. This 360 booth has worked out really well, so we can get lots of great photography because of the awesome lighting that's in here.
Yeah, that's awesome.
One of the neat things that we also came out with a couple years ago, and it's worked out well, is our molded fiberglass dash pad. So it actually just goes right over the top of the factory dash. No unscrewing, no unbolting. It just plops right over the top. Yes, this has been a great feature. We started going down this path with putting the dash pad right over the top of the factory stuff when it came to all the 80s cars. Just the amount of plastic and
Yeah.
it was a real bear, and we started going down this path and got great feedback from our customers.
Nice. Oh, so pretty.
So this has our molded fiberglass dash pad. We also have a full-length console. Molded fiberglass console, molded fiberglass door panels. So we have a custom molded fiberglass rear seat that you're able to purchase, complete your kit. These door panels worked out really well, especially great compliment to the Pro seats. These seats come in both manual and power.
Oh, nice.
And so it's been a great feature for guys with the Bel Air.
These seats look really plush.
They are. I think you should grab a seat. You gotta try it out.
Okay. Nice.
But I think that's a wrap from our design center.
Okay.
Thank you for coming out and visiting TMI. And you know what? If you ever wanted to get a special special build done, all you got to do is come over and schedule an appointment with TMI. Come visit us and check everything out in person, because I know you're really going to enjoy what we have to offer here. See you soon.
TMI Products offers everything from individual pieces to full interior car kits. You still get plenty of customization, different color options, materials, and stitching styles. You can even request fabric samples to make sure everything is exactly what you want before committing. Our shop has done full TMI interiors on several of our builds, and they turned out amazing. Whether you want to install the interior yourself or have our shop do it for you, contact us to design and place your order. Restoring your classic vehicle is a huge investment, and we want you to love it when you're done. Just wanted to make our customers aware of this great option that may save you time and money, but still looks great. It comes down to choosing what works best for your situation and your build. If you want to know more or you're ready to place your order, contact us at Ethan's Garage.